Hello, this is Dunya from the creative team here, and today I will show you some melted Christmas stuff like this gingerbread. I'm using the brand new Wow Trio, Mary and Bride. It is inspired by Mary and Embossing. There are three beautiful Wow embossing glitters, teal, vanilla and Fleming, and I will use the Fleming today for this project. A small alu bowl is perfect for the melted powder. The melted powder is a transparent embossing powder. It is very fine, and this is the Fleming luster I will use for this project. Look at that shimmer. And then I will use the Glisten as well. It is from the Wow Changes set. They change and enhance your embossing powders by adding texture, glisten or sheen. This is Glisten. And the kit includes 3 effects and mixing jars. You should check them out if you don't know them yet. I use 2 spoons of the MeltIt, and I will heat them up with my heat tool. It takes a little while to heat up everything, but then comes the wow moment when everything has melted. Then I added the Fleming powder and the Glisten, and you can see how the powder immediately begins to melt and the liquid melted. That's just fabulous, right? And then I heat it until everything is completely liquid, and then I can pour it into the silicone mold. And as I said, please be careful because this is very hot. When it has cooled down, it can be easily removed from the mold. And you can see the wonderful texture of the glove and the little sparkling from the Glisten powder. Do you see that? This is just beautiful. I decided to color the holly branch with my alcohol markers. I've never done that before, but I think that should work. I'm using the Spectrum Noir Illustrator markers, red and green. By the way, you can use these cool embellishments for your Christmas presents or cards, and I hope you will enjoy making these melted stuff. I have done 3 different embellishments using all powders from the Mary and Bride trio, and I hope you will like them. So thanks for watching, and check out our other tutorials here on the Wow Embossing Powders YouTube channel, also on our blog or social media accounts. I hope I will see you soon. Bye bye.